Ding dong ding, them bells are ringing clear and bright. Dong ding, doggone bells they ring throughout the night. You spouse of kin and child of sibling, come and gather near. Eat and drink, invade my house like every single year. Ding dong, violin sing, it's Christmas time again.
So we decided to make a special little trip for Asher, and we came to the North Pole to see Santa Claus. Right now we're on a train ride. I don't know where it's going to take us, maybe to Santa, so we'll see.
Just hold it all.
So while we were in the area, we decided to check out the North Pole. We saw this place online and decided to check it out for ourselves. The place was completely outdated from the rides, decorations, and shows. We actually waited in line to see Santa for over an hour and decided it just wasn't worth it. We did, however, enjoy the theme and the reindeer. Admission for the day was $40 per person, which included the train ride, carnival rides, as well as meeting Santa. They also offer a place to build your own hat, but that cost extra. They sell cookies and hot chocolate as well as other snacks, but we were just too cold to wait any longer, so we decided to call it a day. 1949, when the North Pole opened its doors to the public to see Santa, Walt Disney had his Imagineers come out and see why this place was so popular and what were they doing for magic-wise. So Imagineers went back to California to report back to Walt Disney to tell him exactly what they found and how to make the magic happen without having Santa there. And that's how Disneyland and Disney World came about. Unfortunately, this is going to be a short video. We were able to see Santa Claus today. It is really cold out here and Asher's tired, so we're just going to call it a day, and I don't know, we'll see where else we can find Santa for him. We just hope you guys enjoy this video, and thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.